Have you ever been in a situation where you've had to play a piano solo? Maybe you're playing a performance piece and there's a space that you need to fill up, or maybe you're in a band and they are like, piano solo, and you go, no, I don't know what to do. I know that I've been in that situation, so I'm gonna teach you a really, really simple way to have a no-fail formula template to create your own piano solos. This is based on the blues scale, which it doesn't just work in the blues genre. You can use this for pop, you can use this for rock, you can use this for basically anything. Here's how it works. We're gonna take a look at just a basic scale. The song I'm gonna demonstrate this to you on is based on the key of D minor. So let's look at the D minor scale. We've got D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, and then D again. We're going to assign each of the degrees of this scale a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to 1. The blues scale uses certain degrees of this scale. So if you can figure out what scale degrees this blues scale uses, you can find it for any key. We're going to use the 1, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 7. And then we're going to add in a little bonus note, which is going to be the flat 5. So if we find the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and flatten it, we call that the flat 5, and it's going to give the scale its really sweet sort of bluesy sound. 1, 3, 4, flat 5, 5, and 7. So in sequence, it sounds like this. So those are our solo notes. We can play those notes in any order, in any rhythm pattern, simple or complicated, and they're going to sound great. So let's take a look at how this works in a practical application. I'm going to use one of my favorite old blues songs, Ain't No Sunshine. It's really simple. We've got a D minor, an A minor, a C, and a D. I'm just going to go by playing the first couple notes of that pentatonic scale while my left hand runs through it, so watch this. Really, really simple. I just use those notes. Let's do it again. So what if we want to explore a little further? Let's use that flat 5 this time. Easy peasy, right? Let's keep going and see what more we can do. Super fun. Now we can work our way back down. See how we kind of repeated some of those notes? Now maybe we'll play them in a totally random order. So there you have it. The notes of the blues scale are going to be your little key to success when it comes to soloing. Now, because we've learned this based on the degrees of the scale rather than certain notes, you can apply this to any key. So when you need to solo, figure out the key you're playing in, and then figure out those blues scale notes. You can even just write down the exact notes that you are able to play using that formula on a piece of paper, and then you can just go to town. You're not going to be having to play your left hand to carry you if you're in a band setting, so you can focus all of your energy and intention on what your right hand's playing and really let your hands fly. So have fun with this. I hope you enjoy finding those solos. I hope this gives you a little bit of confidence next time it's your turn to shine. And comment below to let me know how it goes. Happy playing.